A very fine spread, what? Bon appetit, my feline friends.
Anyone else feel a little too full?
I think I've gone sugar blind.
To the living room. We can chill out with a movie and a frustrating excuse for fort.
Why aren't you structurally sound?
I think my dad usually helps us.
How does Zeno do it? Ah!
Everything okay in here?
Absolutely. All under control.
You guys are adorable.
Stop treating us like babies, Felina. Besides, would babies watch Attack of the 50-Foot Jaguar?
That movie is definitely not recommended for kittens or pups.
Hey, we're in charge tonight, remember? And when the cat's away, the 50-Foot Jaguar will play.
This isn't so bad. I'm not scared at all. I kind of wish the Jaguar was bigger.
Boo!
Oh, hi, Felina. Didn't see you there.
Don't mind me. I need to head out for a bit. You're big enough to be left in charge, right? Home, alone, in the middle of the night, during a thunderstorm.
Of course. We can take care of ourselves. Munchkin, pass the popcorn.
Perfect. Enjoy the film and don't wait up. I'll be late.
I think that was the last scene anyway. Time for bed.
Why does everyone say that movie is so scary? I'm way too old to believe in 50-foot cats.
No need to freak out. It's probably one of your parents calling to say goodnight. Hello? Crawl residence? Flix Crawl speaking.
The 50-foot Jaguar is coming to get us, just like in the movie.
It's probably just Felina. That's it. She saw us watching the film and decided to play a prank.